to play around the table.
I'm surprised they can still fit on the chairs.
Where are you? Hey, Chachi. What are them doing?
Oh, it lost my toy.
What them's doing, Anthem? She got it. He's got a cow. Get it! Where is it? Oh, there he comes with his nose.
She got them all. She's got all the toys. Get her. See. Mom.
Come here where I can see you. Show everybody. Jack. Come here, look how little you are next to your brother. Ready? Toodoo. Oh, she's on the couch. Look at the ear kit. The ear kit's out. We were working on Chachi. She got one ear up, one ear. Chachi, let me see his ears. Oh, pretty good. Yeah, that looks pretty handsome.
Button up.
Oh, there it fell.
Can you hear the moon in the room? Can you check this? Let's get it.
Chachi, there he is, a baby.